Hey guys, how you doing? Kirk here, Kirk Hustle Revolution. Welcome back. For everybody that knows, you know what we're talking about. We're talking about the courier gigs, the courier jobs, the courier business, medical courier industry. We're talking about all that stuff. For all the new people, listen, this is what we talk about. We talk about creating some kind of independence, all right? Some kind of business for yourself in the courier industry. Listen, guys, I've been doing this forever. I mean, like since 1996. I know what I'm talking about, and I'm very pleased to be here. I'm grateful for everybody that's reached out to me. And today I want to drop something. Look, I'm finally done. I told you guys I was going to come out with something because you asked for it, and the book is done, all right? I have a book out on how to start your medical courier business. Not becoming a gig worker, no. Actually, how to become a medical courier establishment, how to start your own business. Now listen, guys, I'm telling you right now, for 7 days from the day this video is posted, all right, for 7 days this book is going to be at 99 cents. That's it. After that, it's going up to regular price, but for 7 days from the day this video is posted, it's 99 cents. Listen, everybody, I took a lot of time to create this. I poured all my knowledge into it, all my years of experience, from the beginning to the end, literally from A to Z. How to start it, how to establish your name, how to establish your bank accounts, how to get loans, how to build contracts, which is the most important thing in this business, how to build your proposals. Everything is there. Look, guys, I know a lot of people here that are watching these videos, you know, that I make and that I put out there all the time. You're already doing courier gigs. You're either driving for Uber, you're doing Lyft, you're doing Uber Eats, DoorDash, whatever it is. I know you guys are out there and you're looking for a way to just start. You're looking for a platform, for a guide. Guys, I did it. I'm offering you 114 pages of everything that I know for 99 cents. It's limited, 7 days. 7 days and that's it. After that, normal price. I really want you guys to take advantage of this, okay? I hate to say it. I never call anybody a fool. I'm pretty transparent. But if you don't take advantage of this deal, now when you see it from the day it's posted and moving forward, 6 days after that, a total of 7 days, that's it. It's gone. All right? So take advantage of it, guys. I put everything in there. Why you need to start. The independence of being a courier worker. Listen, you know what? It takes a lot. It's a challenge to start a business. And a lot of people don't know where to start. That is the biggest problem. That is the biggest issue. Where do I start, Kirk? What is it that I actually need to do? And I know you've probably bought into other courses or books or whatever it is, you know, but this right here, this is what I got. 114 pages of what I know. And I'm talking about experience from 1996 to today, all right? I finished it. It's done. I'm very proud of the work. I'm actually looking at it right now. Guys, honestly, this is just like a step-by-step manual. A step-by-step manual to go through everything you need. It eliminates all the guesswork, all of it, because it's all here from beginning to end. The most important thing about this is that I always tell everybody, especially when, like, you know, you guys pick up my book from the diabetic strips, or you pick up the list for my for the courier gigs, you know, the 100 apps. This book right here, each chapter from beginning to end tells you exactly what you need to do. And the only thing I ask is that you follow it chapter by chapter. That's all I ask. Listen, for 99 cents, I'm paying $1.75 for a cup of coffee. Some places I go to, if I go to Dunkin' Donuts, I'm paying $2.75 for a black coffee. No milk, no cream, no sugar, no flavors, no nothing. $2.75. Jesus, are you kidding me? You know? And then I got my little corner spot where I pay $1.75 for black coffee. Black coffee. Nothing included. So, come on, 99 cents? You know what? Trust me, take it. You won't regret it. I'm very proud of the work that I did. And when you guys dive into this, you know what? It's a tried, true, and tested platform because I know what I put into this. You know, guys, honestly, you know, I always tell everybody to start off. I'm scrolling through it right now, and I'm just amazed because the finishing was the best, you know. The most important thing that I'm offering right here is for you to become independent. And that's the key. You know, look, we were all there. Either we're doing it now, the 9 to 5, the 9 to 6, the 7 to 5, the 7 to 8, the 12-hour days, the 8-hour days, the 15-hour days, the Saturdays because I need the overtime, the Sundays because they're paying me double time. I was there. So I get it. We have to pay the bills. We're raising children. We have rent. We have mortgage. We have car payments, insurance payments. Food, the food. You need a part-time job just to pay food right now in this country. It's insane, you know? So this right here, I'm giving you the independence. I'm offering you the unique experience. I'm telling you how I adapt to everything. And the more I go through it, it's like, wow, I really put this together. It's insane. The best part of this industry for me is honestly the flexibility. And that's really what drew me to becoming, you know, an entrepreneur at such a young age. You know, like I said, I started my first business when I was in high school. And, you know, the flexibility is key, especially with family. You know, being able to be there for your kids, being able to be there for your parents or your siblings. You know, God forbid anybody is sick. Listen, you create your own hours. You're creating your contracts. You dictate what you get paid. You dictate what your hours are. You dictate the services that you're offering. That's what this is about. So, guys, please, you know, I'm appealing to you. All right, for 99 cents, jump on this. Don't even think about it because when it goes up to the regular price, that's where it's going to stay. I'm telling you, take advantage of this. So many of you, we've had this conversation. I can name names, but you know who you are. Kirk, when are you offering coaching? Listen, I'm always busy. Honestly, I am because I'm in the field and I'm working. But here it is. I'm giving you the opportunity to grab a hold of this now, within the next 7 days, for 99 cents, and you're not going to regret it. Only thing I ask after that, after you read it, just do me a favor and read it. And leave the comments below the videos because people aren't going to believe the information that I poured into this book. All right? Look, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, Uber Eats, DoorDash, anybody that's out there doing gig work, you know what you're doing. All right? This offers you an opportunity not to do gig work, but to start a business and actually scale. All right? I always tell people to start the gig work for a reason, to get familiar with the industry, to know how to maneuver through the applications, to understand the terminology within the industry with all the courier apps and the dispatchers and the companies, you know, understanding it. And then obviously once you get that, I want everybody to scale. And here's the platform right here. Here's the opportunity. All right. Here's the book. Kirk is telling you, give it a shot. Don't even think about it. It's 99 cents. Jesus. Now, what the hell can you buy for 99 cents today? Nothing. You can't even get a pack of gum. I just bought a pack of gum today, Dentine, right? $1.69. Really? For 6 pieces. Are you kidding me? I'm giving you an opportunity right here to scale from $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And in the book, here's the kicker. The way to create the contracts and proposals, the way to bid is there. Guys, you do not, my ladies, my men, my single moms, single dads, college students, retirees, all right? My Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, my DoorDash people, okay? My Spark drivers. Listen, come on out here. Check this out. You will not regret it. And you know what? Honestly, I can put the money where my mouth is because this thing is good. And nobody can say that it's not. That's how confident I am in this. Guys, give it a shot. The link is down below. 7 days as of the day the video is posted. All right? As of today, when you're seeing this video, 7 days, 99 cents. All the other links are down below. This is Kirk from the Kirk Hustle Revolution. Here I am. I'm just here to feed the information out. I want to see 1,000 people In 2025, I want to see 1,000 people succeed. The courier industry is not going anywhere. Everything needs to be moved. Everything needs to be delivered. Companies are laying off. They're downsizing. They don't want to pay for benefits. They don't want to offer 401k. They don't want to do any of those things. And what happens? This industry right here, this industry, just like Amazon, like UPS, FedEx, DHL, all those companies, everything needs to be moved. And the medical courier industry is the huge opportunity for everybody, because that's never going anywhere. You have labs, hospital, doctor's offices, pharmaceutical companies, pharmacies, medical supply companies. This right here is never going anywhere. The only thing it's going to do is get bigger and bigger and bigger and allow more opportunity for people like you and people like me to continue to make money and establish a company, become independent, and move forward. Guys, take an opportunity. Take the chance right now. 99 cents, 7 days. Take it. Trust me, you will not regret it. And I'm telling you, you will not regret this. All right? So before you go buy the cup of coffee, get the book. You'll see what I'm talking about. Kirk from the Kirk Hustle Revolution. I appreciate you all. I'll see you again in the next video. Adios.